Hello, good morning, and assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 2 students. I'm your teacher, Sana Kausar, over here again with the new lecture for all of you. Okay, so first of all, tell me that how are you all? I'm very happy after receiving a response from my students that you guys are start doing your work by yourself and you guys are start behaving like an independent and confident kids. So this is something that is really you can say that a happy part from my side, that I'm very happy and that my kids are behaving like that the way I was trying to make them. So let's have a look what I have for all of you. Okay, welcome to the maths class. And yes, this is a time when you can stay at home and take all your precautions with the gloves and masks. And this is a time that we can defeat this coronavirus. So you can kick off this coronavirus only by taking these precautions. So stay at home and stay safe. This is a message of the day. And let's have a look. So first question of the day is, what's the routine superheroes? Okay, today I want to call you all my superheroes. So just tell me that are you can say that making a paper aeroplane, you just want new gifts all the time and new demands that you have for your parents. Okay, you are all the time jumping and playing and laughing. And yes, this child is bit look naughty. He is thinking of something very naughty stuff. And yes, this is a part something that we all used to do, that you guys are like enjoying your meal. And I have a very funny routine that I observed. Okay, you guys are having any kind of a fight or arguments with your sibling? Is this is also part of your routine? This is a very funny picture that I found, and I know that some of my students are involved in this kind of activities too. So it's better to just skip this part and just try to be happy and helpful and nice. Okay, now it's a time to hold your book and pencil with the big smile. Yes, your maths workbook is smiling. And I know still I have an idea that few of my kids are happy and few are still like bored and might be angry because they don't want to study. So this is something that I have an experience. So I just want you all that be happy. I just want this kind of a very big smile on your face and enjoy your maths class. Okay, so heroes, yes. This is a picture for all of my grade 2 heroes. This is your protect of a coronavirus war, and only in this way you can be able to protect yourself from this kind of a virus. So let's have a look on the task of the day, that we will revision of 5 times table will be done, and multiplication table of 10 is task of the day. And workbook page number 75 till 79 is the workbook pages that we are going to cover today. So see that how much less pages I have decided for all of you, so you can enjoy your work and do your work while attending this lecture. So let's have a look. Previous task, learning of 5 times table is done and or not. This is my question to all of my students, that how many students have learned the 5 times table. Okay, let's see. Your answer is yes or no. I just hope so that my students' answer is yes. And if your answer is yes, then I'm a happy teacher over here. Okay, this is a picture of me. I love to teach all those students who do their work on time. So this is me. I'm very happy that my students have completed their task and they have learned the 5 times table. And if your answer is no, then this is again me, but I'm a bit serious. No more fun, no more jokes, no more class memories. I'm a bit serious if you didn't learn the 5 times table yet. So it is a time to learn the 5 times table and make me happy like this. Okay, this is something that you can do only. Let's revise 5 times table. Yes, I have a video for all of you, so let's have a look.
Are you ready?
Okay, so I hope that you guys have enjoyed this song of 5 times table, and in this way we have revised the 5 times table too. So now students, take out your workbook page number 75 and let me get my pen first. Okay, yes, I got my pen. So take out your workbook page number 75. Don't forget to mention your date and day. This is very important part of your workbook. So don't forget to mention your date and day, and let's start matching. Okay, before going to start this matching part, I have a very lovely class memory. Do you want to see? Okay, ma'am, don't match this. We will do it by ourselves. This is something that most of my students said during the class whenever, especially we are matching something. So, and their faces was just like that. Please don't mention, ma'am. We know that how to match. So this picture also remind me most of my students that how they used stop me during the class that, ma'am, please don't match, we will do the matching by ourselves. So when I was pasting this so that's why I paste this picture over here. Hope that you guys will also enjoy it. So let's start matching now. I know that my fast students are already start matching it quickly even before me. So let's start matching it. Okay, the first question is 2 5s are. So 2 5s are 10. We have learned the 2 times tables too. So this is easy. Okay, 8 5s are. Don't get confused that you have learned the 5 times table and this is about 8 times table. No, you can swap the places and you can say that 5 8s are. 5 8s are, yes, 40. So match it with 40. 4 5s are or 5 4s are. 5 4s are 20. Yes. And 5 6s are. 5 6s are is something that's very easy. 5 6s are is 30. And the last easiest one is 1 5s are. Okay, 1 5s are 5. See how much easy it was to match after knowing the table. So that's why I said that tables are so much important to learn, and please learn the tables regularly. Okay, let's move on. Today's topic of the day is again a very interesting and the easiest topic is for today, and that is 10 times table. 10 times table is something that I know most of my students already know that what is the 10 times table, but I want to share a very interesting information about the 10 times table. Okay, look at this. In 10 times table, all the answers ends on 0. Yes, this is a very interesting thing about the 10 times table. Like 1 10s are 10, 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30. All the answers ends on 0 digit. This is a first interesting fact. And the next is whatever number multiply with 10 in answers will be the same number by adding 0 on it. What I'm trying to say, I'm trying to tell you kids, for example, if you are multiplying 2 with 10, so 2 will come as it is, only we will add 0 in it. See, it's so easy. For example, if you multiply 8 with 10, so you see that 8 will come as it is and we will add only 0 at the end. So it makes it 80. See how much easy it is? That's why I said that today's topic is very easy for all of you. Okay, this is me, your teacher, who is also like a superhero today. Like this picture was something that was very funny, and I really like to paste it for all of you that this is me who is flying along with the books. Okay, so let's start writing in your workbook page number 77. This image is bit different from your workbook page, but you are going to write down the answers in the same style as it is written over here. Okay, if you multiply 1 with 10, what will be the answer? 1 10s are 10, so write it down. 2 10s are 20, 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40, 5 10s are 50, 6 10s are 60, 7 10s are 70, 8 10s are 80, 9 10s are 90, and 10 10s are 100. See, I told you whatever number multiply with 10, it will come as it is, like 10 is here as it is by adding only 0 at the end. So it makes it 100. And whether you multiply the numbers in this style or whether you multiply by 10 twos are 20. So the answer will be same. This is called multiplication fact. So please remember this topic name. What is multiplication fact? We can change the places of these two numbers, like 10 will come out at the first place or 10 can go at the second place, but the answer will be same. So your teacher is just flying towards to all of you along with the new work. But look at my smile, how much happy I am. Okay, let's have a look on the next slide. Okay, this is something that's very easy and this is a bit different from the previous work. So take out your workbook, page number 78. Yes, 78 page number. Fill in the blanks. Okay, they just give you blanks, but you can see that there are only 4 pictures are here. There is a no number of groups that we can count, and if you try to solve this question without reading the statement, then you can write it down. 1 4s are 4. You will write down that 1 group in each shirt and 4 shirts, so you will say 1 4s are. But this is wrong. First read the question very carefully. Draw 10 dots on each shirt. Okay, they're asking you to draw a design. 10 dots on each shirt. It's kind of a design that you can make. Okay, let's start making it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Oh, I just move forward. This is wrong. Okay, let me just erase it. Where is my pointer? Okay, teacher is also using eraser. So now we have a 10 dots on one shirt, and let's start making the same dots on the other shirt. So let's start drawing the dots. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, our second shirt is also done. You can even draw these dots with the help of colors as well. So you can even use the colors to make it more colorful, and it will make it more lovely to look like when you will look at the colorful dots on your shirt. So it will make it more good. So let's start drawing the dots on the next 4 shirts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, last shirt is left. So let's make a different style of dots over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 and 10. Look, I just changed the style of the shirt. This is something that's very interesting, and I hope that you all will enjoy it by drawing a dots on these shirts. So now it's a time to fill the numbers in the given boxes. Okay, how many dots we draw? 10. And total shirts we have 1 2 3 4. So we will just quickly mention the 4, and I know the answer. 10 4s are 40. Yes, 40 is our answer. Okay, now let's move on to our next shirt. Next slide is again the same one. So read the question very much carefully. Draw the 10 marbles on the each plate. Okay, so you are going to draw as marbles. Marble size is, you can say that the smaller, very small than the balls. So you will draw the 10 marbles on the each plate, and then you will solve the questions. So let's start. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Yes, I draw the 10 marbles over here. Okay kids, in the same style you will draw the marbles on all the plates with the help of colors. Okay, so I'm going to solve the question over here, and then I will help you out, and you can even help yourself to draw the marbles over here. Okay, the question is 10 marbles on each plate. So there are 10 marbles, and how many plates we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 plates are there. So how many marbles we will draw totally? They will be 10 6 are 60. Yes. See how quickly we count the marbles on every plate just with the help of multiplication. So students, you are going to draw the marble on all the plates. I am just drawing it on each plate because I'm using my mouse and it's not working very much correctly. So you just draw the marble, and right now I would like to show a very interesting picture. Okay, these kids just remind me my own students, kids during the lecture. Okay, I know that when you were drawing these marbles on your plates, your faces will be just like these smile kids, and look at the smile, the beautiful smile on this face. You can say that they are enjoying their work, and I know that few kids have a mother along with them who is helping them out, so whether they are doing correct work or wrong. So this also look very nice. So this picture reminds me my student, so that's why I just paste your kind of a kid's picture over here. And yes, meanwhile you all just draw the marbles on every plate. Okay, don't forget to draw the marbles on all the 6 plates. And let's move on to our next work. Okay, yes, this is almost the last page of the day. Take out your workbook, page number 79, and this is a concept of multiplication fact. This question is something that we have already done 2 or 3 times, so this is not difficult at all. It is something that is very easy for my kids. So what is a multiplication fact? In which we will get the 2 numbers, they will change their places, but the answer will be same. Okay, what is a number written on the each picture is given over here? 10. So I will mention 10 over here. Okay, start writing it with me. Let me just erase it and write it down. In the same way, my students will erase their dirty handwriting and they will write it neatly. Okay, yes. There are $10 of one picture, and let me count that how many dollars we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there are 7 pictures of $10. So 10 sevens are, what will be our answer? 70. Yes, easy. And for the multiplication step, next question, we don't need to do anything. We will just swap the places. 7 10s are, and the answer will be as it is, 70. Yes, the answer will never change. In the same, they again give you a picture of $10. So you will mention again 10. And how many pictures of dollars are given over here? They are 9. So just quickly change the places of these 2 numbers, and what will be our answer? 10 9s are 90. Yes, see how much easy it is. Multiplication fact, just solve the one blank, and for the next you don't need to do anything. You will just do it with the trick. The answer will be same. Okay, now the last one is something that is again very easy. There is again the same dollars note is given over here, so you will write down 10. And how many total notes are over here? Just count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, 10. So yes, 10 10s are, this is very easy. 10 10s are 100. So we will mention 100 over here, and the numbers are same, so we can just write it down as it is. 10 10, and the answer will be same, that is 100. Okay, yes, our task is done. Okay, this picture is just a kind of my students who are just done with their work and they are about to land at the ending part of the lecture. Okay, self assessment. This is a page that you all are going to do by yourself, my students. So open your self assessment workbook, page number 76. We have revised the 5 times tables, and this table is given in the form of a dodging. So the students who have learned it, not dodging, this is just like in this sequence, like cross sequence is given over here. So the student who have learned the 5 times table, this work is you can say that a chocolate for them. Just eat it. So let's start filling it, and I will just fill 1 and 2 blanks, and rest of them you will do by yourself. So 5 ones are, or 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Okay, let's do it in a jumble up style. 8 5s are 40. Yes, this is about 5 times table, kids. This is not about 10 times table. This is a self-assessment page about the 5 times table. Don't forget that. Okay, 5 5s are 25. Okay, this is easy. I'm just doing it in a dodging style. Okay, 10 5s are, this is the most easiest one that you can do by yourself. 9 5s are 45. And the blanks which are bit left in the middle, so that you all are going to do by yourself. So you need to do one thing only, that believe in yourself. You can do it. If you want to learn something, then this is something that you can easily do. So this picture is something that is a motivational quote for my students, that just trust in yourself, believe in yourself, and you can do anything. Okay, on the same page they give you one coloring part. Color the answers in the chart below. Okay, whatever the answers are given, you received in this part, like 5 10, and then let me just fill it. 5 3s are 15. So in the same way, the answers that will be a part of this part A, you will color in this chart, like 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, and in the same way you will color all the numbers. And then they ask you a very interesting question, that write down one thing you notice about the colored numbers. They are asking you that after the coloring, have you guys have you noticed anything about it? So the answer of it is, all the numbers ends on digit 5 and 0. All the digits, all the answers that you will color, they will end only on 0 and 5. Yes, so you can write down all the numbers and on 5 and 0. This is something that you have noticed about the 5 times table. Okay, that's all for today. Yay. And my RA from my side is that learn and practice 10 times tables. This is something that very easy, that is very easy, and I know that you all can easily learn the 10 times tables, and some of you already have an idea that what is the 10 times tables about. So goal of today is achieved, and I'm also in this running, you can say that I'm also running along with my students, because we are covering the course together. So that's all for today. Take care, all of you. Love you. Bye bye.